Hello friends, Christmas decorations are an integral part of the holiday season, transforming homes, streets, and public spaces into festive spectacles of light and color. These decorations not only serve as a way to celebrate the joy and warmth of Christmas but also create an atmosphere of unity and cheer for families and communities alike. The most common Christmas decorations include the Christmas tree, which is often adorned with twinkling lights, colorful ornaments, garlands, and a shining star or angel at the top. Traditionally, the tree serves as the centerpiece of holiday decorations in many homes. The act of decorating the tree is often a family affair, with loved ones gathering together to hang ornaments, wrap the tree in string lights, and place presents underneath, symbolizing the giving and receiving of love. In addition to the tree, wreaths and garlands are popular decorations for both the indoors and outdoors. Wreaths, often made of evergreen branches, are hung on doors and windows to symbolize eternal life, while garlands, crafted from materials like tinsel, ribbon, or pine, are draped over mantels, staircases, and around doorways. These decorations evoke feelings of warmth and tradition, as they are often passed down through generations. Lights are one of the most iconic symbols of Christmas. During the holiday season, homes and streets come alive with shimmering displays of light, from classic white string lights to elaborate multicolored sets. Some people go all out with intricate light displays, synchronized to music, while others prefer simple yet elegant strands of lights that outline windows, eaves, and trees. The sight of these lights at night adds a sense of magic and wonder to the season, creating a beautiful contrast with the cold, dark winter evenings. Stockings are another beloved Christmas decoration. Hung by the fireplace or elsewhere in the home, stockings are a symbol of Santa Claus's visit and the small gifts and treats he leaves for children. They are often handmade or personalized, with each family member having their own stocking to fill with surprises. Along with stockings, many homes feature nativity scenes that depict the birth of Jesus Christ, reminding people of the religious significance of the holiday. Outside, Christmas lights and lawn decorations turn yards into